Hello and welcome to the Books channel. Meeting notes help us review key points and make good decisions, and with a slim e-paper tablet, you can better capture great ideas and stay focused. Today, we'd like to show you how to take effective meeting notes using BOOX Tablets. The first step is to select appropriate note-taking methods based on the meeting type. To organize information for an action review, idea generation, or product analysis, use templates such as Cornell, McKinsey, or SWOT. You can also import your own templates in PNG format. The best part about note templates is that they can keep you on track. They remind you of categories of information you need to jot down and make the notes look more structured. In addition, if the speaker uses PowerPoint slides and you get them beforehand, you can open them within our Neo Reader and directly take notes on the slides. When a meeting discusses topics related to a larger project or theme, it's best to include relevant information as context. In the Notes app, for example, you can insert an image of the product's prototype to showcase its appearance, or a sales chart to display market trends. You can also insert links to other notes, files, or websites. With just one tap, they allow you, or anyone who might need the note, to gain quick access to detailed information. If you want to see the notes and references at the same time, BOOX Tablets allow you to split the screen to view different content with two windows. Next suggestion, never try to write everything down. It only causes information overload for you and others who see the note. Because time is limited, you should document important information, such as decisions, insights, and next steps. To help you structure your notes, we provide 5 brushes on the top toolbar, such as pen, pencil, and marker. You can use different brushes to distinguish between main concepts and key details. If you misheard something and wrote down incorrect information, our strike-through erase enables you to effortlessly remove unwanted notes with a wavy line. This feature is super convenient, especially when the meeting is moving along quickly. When the speaker is talking too fast and there's too much information to jot down, tap to insert a recording, and you can mark important moments to help you find them later on. Successful meetings always end with actionable takeaways. Following the meeting, your notes should be reorganized to highlight key points. One effective tool we recommend is Lasso. You can use it to select a key point to change its size or color. Or you can select one entire part and move it or resize it to show the hierarchy of your note. What's more, our feature Shape Perfection helps you draw precise geometric shapes such as squares and circles. They help to emphasize crucial information like problem-solving actions, task assignments, and due dates. Finally, make your notes easier to access for you or others so you can quickly refer to them in the future. First up, you can export it as PNG or PDF and check it in BooksDrop, where you can download the file to your computer. Also, you can directly share it with your Slacks or Teams. If you want to see your notes on your smartphone, download our app, BOOX Assistant, where all your notes will be automatically synced under your account. When you need to articulate your thoughts to your colleagues, BOOX Tablets allow you to cast your screen for presentations. It's time to say goodbye to paper clutter and bulky PCs. Optimize your meeting routine with a sleek e-paper tablet and get the most out of every discussion. That's it for today's video, and see you next time.